Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be looking at an interesting aspect of activating the 7Me app to be able to do EFT transactions on behalf of the treasurer. So this video is for the conference coordinator who will be activating the 7Me app for each church. So the first thing that we want to do is to come under church, come to configure treasury module, and then have a list of all of your churches. So in this case, I'm going to take, for instance, Littleton. Click on the pencil of the church. Make sure that this 7Me batch button here is activated, and this one also allow people in this church to worship in other churches close. So these two must be checked. So if you see here, only 3 buttons must be checked at this point. And once this is done, click on save, and this will activate the use of the 7Me app. Now we want to configure the 7Me app to be able to see the bank account details for this particular church. So what you do, you come to accounting entries and you come to church entity account settings here, and you click on it, and then you look for the church. So in this case, we want to look at Littleton. So I'm going to just type there Littleton Church. I click here and I click search. And now we will see the banking details of this church. And the one that has the main account where the trust funds are paid to the conference, which is this one here, is the one that we want to be displayed in the 7Me app. So we click on that and we come onto this page where we see the account settings. And there's this now nice button here that says display on 7Me. This is where we want members to be able to see the account details for 7Me. And here we go. You will have sequence number 1, and then you will create these fields here. So sequence number 1 here, you'll put the bank and then put ABSA. Sequence number 2, you'll put the branch code over here, and the description here will be the branch code number. Then number 3, so as an example, if I wanted to add a branch code, let's say it's not there, so that for our training purposes, I'll come here and say sequence number 4, because that's the line number 4. And then here I'll say branch code. And then here I'll put in a fictitious one, and then I'll say add. So now, as you can see, it has added the details of this branch code here. Then you click on the blue button here to save it, and then click on display. Then once you have done this, when the users in this church open the 7Me app and they go to type an offering, they will see these details in the 7Me app. I hope this is clear and it will help us as we go along.